What's up, guys? Well, I mean, we're done fishing. This is another one of those, you know, at the end of fishing, here comes your intro. And John's a little angry, but you know, it's not going to be the best kind of fishing video today. Not a ton of action or anything like that. But hey, there is a good fish caught. So, you know, I mean, we put in a lot of work today and shot a lot of video, and you know, I'm gonna play it for you guys anyways. You know, didn't get skunked. Still going strong. 2021, knock on wood. Enjoy. Swim jig or chatter bacon? The hottest color of 2020 chatterbait. Fire crawl. Fire crawl in the house. The old casting to the wind backlash. Huh? I tried to. There we go. Woo! God dang, he hit me like a ton of bricks. Oh my gracious. Yeah. Yeah, net this guy for sure. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here he is, right here.
My scale's up here if you want it.
Hey, motherfucker. Yeah, dude.
Five and a half.
That's a freaking tank. Golly, that's a freaking tank. So glad we moved back. Sorry, I told you I was gonna scream.
I was having trouble and all kinds of stuff.
Hey, you're all right. We got it did. We got it did.
I'm about to step on my camera. You're gonna get moved out of the direct line of sight. I think.
Zeroed out. Let's say 6 or. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, close. What are you gonna settle on? 514, 513, 515, whatever. I'm gonna say 514. That was the closest thing I could get.
Oh, that's awesome.
What?
I'm gonna break your camera.
Yeah. Sure do. Dang it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Red tail. Look at that red tail.
Get the tail real quick.
Oh, God, that feels good. Ah.
Gotta do like TV for here.
Woo! Yeah. Almost a 6-pounder, baby.
I told you, I thought he was 5.5.
Almost a 6-pounder. Six-pounder? I mean, close to 6-pounder. Close to. John, anything to say to the people?
No. Learned a lot. This was a rough day.
What did you learn today, John?
Slow down. And that my trolling motor is wicked. Wicked.
Wicked good trolling motor.
Yeah. We got back pretty shallow a couple places.
I don't even know if I'm in the frame right now.
Probably are. I don't know.
I think so.
Looks a little off, but yeah.
You know, I mean, could be like.
It was a good day. Time well spent.
Yeah. Yeah. Had a good time.
Always.
Caught a good one. Tough lake. Tough conditions. What was it, 43 degree water temps?
43 with probably that much wind.
Yeah. I figure back where we were is probably about like 45, 46. We did see a lot of activity back in there today. It's just after this morning, we couldn't put it together. I mean, but we cruised around a lot. We covered a lot of water, covered a lot of techniques too. That was one of my goals for the day, was to, you know, not throw the same thing over and over and over. And really did get out and, you know, tried a couple different swim jigs, tried a lipless, tried a few different crankbaits. Shied away from any kind of finesse fishing today because it's kind of been my crutch lately. And I don't even know if that could have got it done. It was a tough day. I mean, but regardless, it's beautiful out. We've had sunlight all day, no clouds. The wind wasn't that bad, honestly.
No, first half of the day was a little rough.
Yeah, first half. Beginning was a little rough because it was a little cold. It was chilly. Let me say chilly, not cold. We got here, it was about 39 degrees. Who was your buddy? Dan? We were waiting on John's buddy Dan to show up. Never did. So we got out and, you know, got after it. So it was like I said, it was a good day. I feel like I've talked enough now, and there's probably only like 7 of you left watching right now. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you next time we're on the water.
Boom! added in some fire effects.
Why are you still here? Just close it. There's nothing left.
Beep, 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 beep.
This is it. There's nothing left. Just close it. Just, I don't know, subscribe. Watch that video there or something. If you are here, thanks. Appreciate you.